Everybody says you should do a cookout for July 4th. So this product I got from Publix, frozen hamburgers with, it says cheese and bacon. The Weber grill has been out in the weather for a while. It does a pretty good job. It's good it has the temperature monitoring. In case you don't know, anytime you cook on a grill, or really inside, it's a good idea to use a food thermometer, which I'll demonstrate. You need to make sure the interior temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit to know that it's safe. A pretty day is supposed to be really hot later with heat indexes over 100, but right now it's only about 90. Again, these are frozen, so it seems like a good idea to flip it early to try to get some even cooking. Most things I cook between 300 and 400 degrees, which will only happen if the door is shut. It's not as overcooked as it looks in the video. Again, the magic number is 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the interior. Getting close. Check out the links below for the various products used in making these hamburgers. This has been a great toaster. I'll see if I can find the link so you can buy your own. I toast the bread mainly so it doesn't just flop around, since these are hamburger buns. This makes the bread a little more firm so it can more easily handle the hamburger. I'm too lazy today to chop up onions. Yes, it's really for you. Eat it. And that's a wrap. Hopefully you had a great July 4th.